From Campbell University in Bowie's Creek, North Carolina, this is Campbell Now.
Hello everyone, I'm Paula McNeil.
And I'm Shaylin Saracino. This is Campbell Now. Kids won't be going hungry thanks to some of our amazing people at Campbell. Students of the School of Education and Human Sciences Teaching Scholars Program filled more than 500 backpacks of food for Harnett County elementary and middle school students. The Ethan Nicholas Foundation and Second Harvest Food Bank of Southeastern North Carolina provided with Campbell to provide meals and snacks for Harnett County Schools Buddy Backpack Program. This program serves K through 12 schools throughout the county.
This Thursday, September 19th, Campbell is hosting Music of the Nights. The event features the Fayetteville Symphony Orchestra, who will perform a variety of different songs. This will start at 7 p.m. in the Hobson Performing Arts Center. Tickets are required for entry, but they're completely free. If you're interested, make sure to contact the Division of Fine Arts office to get one for yourself.
Lights, Camera, Action, Fall Guy starring Ryan Gosling and Emily Blunt will have a viewing in the Student Union Theater on Friday. The movie will start at 9 p.m. You won't want to miss this action-packed experience.
After the movie, the night continues with Cav's Camel Strike Again event. The special event consists of late-night bowling taking place off campus at Buffalo Lanes, located in Erwin. It will take place from 11 p.m. to 1 a.m., so come join other students in a night full of fun.
This Friday, September 20th, the CUCCC is hosting its annual Care Gala. The group is a student-run medical clinic based here at Campbell. The event will be held in the Student Union Ballroom and will run from 6 to 9 p.m. It includes both a dinner and various methods of entertainment. All proceeds from this event will go straight towards funding the CUCCC, allowing it to continue providing free health care for the community. If you're interested, make sure to attend.
Campbell Law School is hosting its 6th annual bike ride for Campbell Law from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Saturday, October 19th. During registration, all riders will receive a limited edition 2024 Campbell Law bike ride t-shirt and swag, plus be entered into drawings for fun prizes, including a one-on-one coffee with Campbell Law School Dean Rich Leonard, a place at the table, gift cards to local businesses, and so much more. To find out more about bike riding for Campbell Law, visit Campbell online. Enjoy the ride. That's all for today. I'm Paula McNeil.
And I'm Shaylin Saracino. We'll see you next week here on Campbell Now.